Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to appear offline on Facebook Messenger. So let's start. First open the Messenger app. Tap on your profile icon on top left corner. Scroll down and tap on Active Status and turn it off. Go back and scroll down. Here you will see the chat heads option. Turn it off. And you are now offline on Messenger. Now close the app and open the Facebook app. Now tap on three bars on top right corner. Scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. Scroll down again. Here you will see Active Status option. Tap on that. Disable it by tapping on Show when you are active. And you will be offline from Messenger as well as Facebook. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.